Yeah.
I'm putting this. Good. Yes. Now I need that. Do you think that's dry, the motor?
Yeah.
Okay, I need that. Okay. The motor, bro. Okay. When we do this wiring here to the other side, right? That's how it is?
Get the wire from the
The
inside.
pump right here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Check. Yes, okay.
Good.
So the pump on this side, hit the motor.
Be careful, okay?
Good.
Yeah. Just another woman. Anyway, special. No, that's the late one. Huh. Can you clean this? Just wipe it with that thing. Oh, don't make. Oh, shoot, man.
What happened?
Oh, there's not supposed to get dirty. Any man, good music. Got it? I mean, that's good.
This one here. This one.
Another one I'm in love. Okay.
Huh?
No leak,
No leak?
but controller.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Okay. Do you have a sharp thing?
Sharp thing.
Sharp. No. Screwdriver that like a needle. Do you have one? Good. I know you have one.
Well, my size or bigger size?
Doesn't matter, boss. His size, you guys are too small.
Man, come on, man. Somebody who not out and never
It's not an other.
put it back to me, man. Put it, go fit the door, I don't have it.
No, you have the pick.
Huh?
The sharp one, the pointy one.
Did I?
See, because we're gonna put grease on it now. That's how you do it.
Oh, you pop it out, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna put same color.
Uh-huh.
I think you have it. Do you have your
Mallet.
mallet?
Mallet, man.
That's okay, but it's from now on. Shit. We'll do that later.
Yes.
Oh shit, man.
The cooking?
No, the thing is the how do you call it then? Oh, I did it. Oh shoot. This one here. Come on. Okay. Now it's not a sealed bearing anymore. Okay? Oh shit. Can you cut the edge?
Want to cut the edge? Why?
So it's gonna be a special tools.
Ah, you to loop it in, right?
Or wait, I'm just hold this and then touching on the other side. Okay. Okay. Too, you got it? Too short?
No, too long.
Hmm?
Long enough. Wait. Almost there.
Got it?
Let it bite. It don't bite.
Don't bite? You want me to bite you?
Yeah.
Got it?
No, it don't go in. I go in.
Hmm?
Go in.
Okay. Once it goes in,
How about the other side?
don't worry about the other side. I just want to raise it up. Okay. Right.
Screwdriver? Okay, now it works.
Okay. Screwdriver, man.
Long screwdriver, man.
Come on. In your air.
Okay.
But we don't know what side. But at least you get everything back. Get it?
Yeah, let that go.
Huh? Where's the other one here? See, this is special tools, man. See? In your air.
You really tight now? Okay, really tight?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now, you have to apply the 2x4, right? The 2x4. Put it on both sides here, okay? No, supposed to be like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
But this one had to fade down. This one had to fade down for the leg.
I know. That's what I was thinking, the leg.
Woohoo! This one?
See? Leg going that way.
No. Have to lose the screw. Have to lose the screw.
No, you don't need to.
No?
It's moving.
You moving?
Yeah.
Sure, man?
Yeah. More. Or you have the wood, you can.
No, it look like not moving.
Yeah, it's moving. See?
Move slow, huh?
Yeah, but it's moving. See, camera, it's moving too.
I know. Maybe lose it up.
It can't. See?
Got this one here. It
I know.
pressure in
I
this
know,
one.
I know that.
Can we put a thing, turn it? There we go.
Hold on. Supposed to be.
And pin.
Let's go. Is that right? You did it. Come on, man. I'm fucking blind. fine, man.
Yeah. It's in.
Okay, put it in all the way.
With the ratchet ran. Do you have one? Amigo have one?
Yeah, amigo.
Yeah, amigo.
I don't have a ratchet, but I have this. You know, I don't want to use it. In your hand.
Which one you have? This one, the small one? This one. Yeah.
Slowly, okay?
I try.
Okay, so we see, Ben.
Side.
This is how to assemble Heatwaterpump with Mr. Charlie.
Here.
Man, that's smooth, man.
Yeah, now I
But
stuck
we need a
for.
grease thing.
Huh?
We need a grease can,
Uh-huh.
you know, so we can put some grease before. Security, man, boss.
Yeah.
Woo-wee. In your hand. Good for now.
This out a little bit easy.
Later, because I have this one.
Oh, okay.
Come on, man.
Okay, man.
Fire it, okay?
Can I make it super tight? Real tight. There.
Good?
Yep. Just enough pressure to hold everything in place.
Man. Brand new. Yes. In your hand. Now the end is near. It's so apace. The final curtain.
Dạ bà Quế.
This one.
Đó. Hôm qua cái chỗ mà lên tháo cái không á em có cục trà. Anh không có coi.
In your hair. So bad.
Mà nó làm cái trà.
Shoot.
Sáng rồi sáng rồi. Sáng mới nhập á, sáng nhập. Sáng xếp nó lấy chuyện nó. Nó không có trà thôi. Rồi nếu mà nó không có làm mà có nghĩa là nó không có làm cái nó không kiểm tra thôi, nó đâu có làm đâu, nó ngồi
Yeah, he's mad. My boy here mad.
thế vậy đi tí à. Rồi đang xuống tí trận chút anh chọn. Ok vậy đi. Ok vậy tháo hết nguyên cái building đảm bảo rồi. Vậy hả? À, ok.
Okay.
Vậy hả? Vậy đi, tí gặp. Bà.
Can you try to put this thing? So, because right now,
Which one?
the bolts,
Okay.
so I can move it.
The bolts.
No? Which side? Right. Okay, can you guide it? I'll rip it.
Check it out first.
Okay.
Pick it up. Pick it up.
No, no, wait. There's a seal already.
Oh, the seal?
I don't want to break it.
I cannot see.
Can you peel it? Like,
Put it down. Down.
right?
No, right.
You have a light?
Yeah. Can you lay it down or not?
No,
Cannot, huh?
no. I can lay down, but not the motor.
Okay, try on your other side a little bit. A little bit. More. Turn.
Wait. Hold on.
Turn. More. Turn more. Look, it doesn't turn. It doesn't turn, man.
Yeah, wait. Hold on.
Right there. Stop. Stop right there. Right there. Man, don't move.
Okay,
Don't move, man.
wait. Hold on. That's too far.
Too far?
I want to make sure this number here is on here.
Okay.
Okay?
Check it out.
Yep. You know why?
Okay, right there. Stop. Stop right there.
There you go.
Okay, turn that way a little bit more.
I got mine.
Oh, a little bit. Okay, bye.
Wait.
Okay, go. Bye. It's the same screw, right?
The same screw.
The wrong screw, you screw.
You screw in.
Right?
One more. Right?
How many more? No more.
Oh, here. See? I don't want to be lip over. Okay, that's 916. Okay, tight it first.
Ow, my hand. Different ratchet, huh?
Yeah. 916. Or,
Yeah, that's right. That's right, man.
yeah.
Ay, ay, ay. So, hey, Rick, create that paper, make rounds. And tell everybody. And tell Q he needs to talk to me. He cannot say he cannot make rounds. He has to make rounds. I'll talk to him too when I come back, when he comes in. got the exhaust fan running?
Yeah,
Huh? Quit spraying, man, boss. You're killing me,
we
man.
spray
I
outside.
don't want to be high.
That's okay.
I don't want to be high. What?
Hey, I got a question. What happened to the, how come he asked me again to check those GFCI? I gave you the list already. How come they missed that one?
No, this is a different one.
No, it's the same thing.
I don't know. Boss.
He just like, so I just checked it. And then I asked Ray to change it. Because,
I don't know what you guys doing, man. You're not communicating to me, man.
no,
Huh?
it's on the list.
Charlie.
No,
What the fuck?
No.
He don't communicate. He don't email. He don't do nothing.
no, it's
Yeah?
you.
What the fuck?
You have the paper.
I don't have the
everything.
fucking paper.
Hey,
Fuck you.
Charlie, I give you the paper. What the fuck happened?
I burn it. I burn it.
Charlie, I wipe my ass straight away.
You flush on the toilet already?
What the hell, man? You guys killing me.
Ah.
No bonus. That's why, Jesse.
Yeah, you have bonnet. We do a lot.
Hey, there's Granger.
Oh, this one. What happened to this one? It doesn't bite, huh?
Huh?
Wrong screw? It doesn't bite.
Doesn't bite? Let me see. No, take care of that one. Yeah, huh? Too short.
Yeah. Is that the wrong? Wrong
Yeah, it's the right one, but on the wrong
spot, huh?
spot. That's okay. Just let's see if the other works too. We can just replace it.
I have this long one here.
There's one long one. Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't bite. Good.
Good.
One of my friends hate me now.
Why? Oh, I'm asking to if we can work overtime this weekend, or maybe next week.
Next weekend, man. Not
Next
this
week.
weekend, man.
Okay, the oxygen.
Let me fix my car first.
So we can do that.
Oh, man. Sorry, man. I told you no love.
Yesterday you did the same thing.
No love.
Oh.
Man, you're too no good, okay?
No, you are no good.
Let me.
Don't blame the tools, man.
Yeah, the tool. See the tool. If the tool stay, it won't be like that.
Mm-hmm.
The tool, the tool run. Yeah, one of my friends hate me already.
Oh, you have a friend?
Yeah.
Right.
Cause she asked me to
Apply.
no, she asked me to repair the heat, the furnace in her brother's house.
Uh-huh.
I said that your brother ordered the part yet. But I told him to order the part like last summer.
Mm-hmm.
But now you want me to fix? I don't have no part.
You
Did he
thought
order the part?
Everything tight?
Again, man.
Make sure you tight everything,
Man,
man.
they don't have the part. I said, no, I don't fix it. I don't want to fix it because you don't care.
Yeah.
Why I care? I don't care.
Uh-huh. That's my man, see? If you don't care, who cares?
Yeah. Well, it's not my house, your house, you know.
Yeah,
I cannot.
not
I
my
need
house.
to order the part.
Yeah.
For a long time. I sent him, but he don't order.
Yeah.
Now she don't talk to me anymore. I'm okay with that. I'm okay.
That's good. Right? Everything good?
You the this one check, but the other
Yeah,
one.
I'm too strong. I don't want to break it. That's why I want you to do this by now.
I see. This one no good. See that?
That's okay. That's good.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it.
Shit,
Final.
it's turning.
Huh? Yeah, I don't know why it's turning, man. No good, man.
Let's try it like this. Let's put it up. Can you turn it?
No, I cannot.
Shit.
It's just spinning. It don't turn.
So we need to put grease on it, okay?
Yeah.
Now, is it? I need to wash my hands. So put the final seal.
Yeah, bacon. Make some oil and put it here.
Okay, up again, up. Up again, Bruce Lee.
Yeah.
There you go.
There you go.
Okay, I need to wash my hands.
Go ahead. Clean already.
Are you sure it's clean?
Hey,
But
man.
this one here,
Clean, man.
see the string for the gasket? That's not clean, right? Wash my
Oh, the
hands.
gasket, huh? Bus.
That's a high. You don't know what you're talking about. Too much pain.
Yeah. Better than the cocaine.
No, that one will not kill you. This one will poison. That one,
It doesn't kill you right away. It kill you later.
No, they look dead to me anyway.
the other one will make you happy.
Oh no.
You want that?
Your pocket gotta be empty. You're not happy.
Make sure there's no dirt on this one. Okay. This is the magic. This is the trick. Special tools.
Mm-hmm. That's good, huh?
No. Should. No.
So you plumbing grease.
No, you don't put grease. It's gonna get hot. Can I get more?
Good.
No. Okay, that's good. Yeah, it's free. You don't pay for it. You should.
No,
save.
it's expensive.
Expensive.
It made from gold. You see the color? Gold color? You coming down?
Very slowly.
Plumbing grease, okay, right?
You don't want that to drop. No. I dropped something.
You drop something where?
You have flashlight, right? Flashlight.
You drop something inside?
Yeah. Okay. See that thing?
Yeah.
Can you just do the flashlight, okay? Flashlight. Okay, good. Jesse, you're good. Because once you don't put it on the right position,
Will leak.
it's screwed. If you don't leak, it's screwed. Now what I need is... How come you don't clean this one, man? Shame.
Okay, I don't know, man. Let me clean.
Clean that one.
You don't know sandpaper. How can I clean? Huh?
Right there.
I'll show you how to clean, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't need the brand of this. Clean that one too.
Brand new. Yeah. Clean.
Good. Good.
Give it 2 minutes. Yep. That's right. I hold it for you here.
Yeah, put it.
So this in, right? Like that or like that?
Like that.
Ah! Achoo! The hell? Me man.
What's next? You see the thing right there?
No,
The
I'm
base?
seeing it. I don't see it.
So do you type this, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Damn.
Now, one screw here, screw here.
I know, but that way or this way or that way?
Either way, same.
No? See this one here?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, 4 screw, yes.
What is a hefty medium?
Okay, hold on, okay? No, wait, check it out. Like that. Screw first.
Put the short one. Short one. The long
Short one here, the
See?
long one here, the long one here.
See?
Oh, the long one here. The long one
Yeah,
over there. Okay, okay. Makes sense.
Put those two parts.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay? Yeah, I mark it. So this one at the top, this one at the top. So the top here. Hey, look at mark it, man.
What size is that?
Huh?
What size do you think?
So I don't know. Hey, who do you think I am, man? I'm not Alexa. And I'm big. Oh, 3/4.
There you go. I can see.
Man, you have eyeglasses, man. Come on, man.
I know. You look ahead. That's it.
Man, it don't fit, man. It don't fit. You have the extension?
Yeah, you do.
No, not that one. There you go.
Ito yung asin next thing.
Not that one. There we go.
There it go. There it go. You're gonna put grease and then that's it and then the gasket.
Install, huh?
But I need to clean it first. That's not, it failed, man. You don't pass on me.
Okay. Sandpaper. You have the sand? Paper?
I'm gonna
Hold
take
the
a
pump,
break
hold the
first.
pump,
Yeah,
hold the
I'm
pump.
holding the pump, man.
Okay, one more. Okay.
That's it. Put it back like this. Put it back like
Okay. Let's change it.
Okay,
Woo.
you need the grease.
Look good.
And is this tight, right?
Yeah.
After we grease, put the cover.
Yep.
Okay, that's it. Complete.